In Iran, every season tests our energy. When heat waves strike, the grid trembles. When winter arrives, gas runs short and lights fade. Blackouts halt our banks, slow our factories, and dim homes across the nation. But a new path is emerging. Through partnership and innovation, resilience is being built. From global expertise to local assembly. From homes and branches to industries and the grid. Derun's LFP batteries deliver clean, uninterrupted power. Each stored kilowatt-hour becomes traceable and valuable. Blockchain rewards every user for stability, savings, and trust. Thousands of batteries now speak as one, creating community virtual power plants across our cities. With local manufacturing and open lab design centers, Iran becomes the region's hub for energy storage innovation. Power that never stops. Technology that empowers. Energy that unites.